Hi there, welcome to my new video. I'm really excited to record my first unboxing video with this big guy for you guys. Recently, I started a new diet, and because of that, I searched a lot about air fryers, brands, models, prices, and compared all of them. And after a long time, I'm really happy to inform that I could find this giant from Philips. And because of that, I decided to record a video and share my information with you guys, and also give you some general information about air fryers that I hope that it can be helpful for you. So please, please, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and send this video to your friends who are looking for air fryers. I'm sure that it can be very, very helpful for them. So before we start, I will give you some information about this. After that, we will unbox it and cook some foods together to see how it works. First of everything, why I said giant? Because as you can see here, it has 7.2 liter capacity, which is very, very important information about your air fryer. Because, for example, if you are alone and you just cook for yourself, maybe 2 liter is enough for you. But if you want to cook for your family members or friends, or you want to have a healthy party, it will be very, very important that have this or another air fryer look like this big air fryer with good capacity. So I think that 7.2 is fantastic and very good capacity for air fryer. And another thing that is very important about air fryer is how much it can heat the food, and this can go till 200 degree Celsius. So it is again very important for some meats that needs more energy and power to cook when it can be heater. So your food will be prepared earlier. And another thing that is very important is about power and voltage of your air fryer. About this model, that is Series 3000, and this product time is November 2024. For this model, power is 2000 watt, which is very important, guys. Some of you don't pay attention about power of your device like this, and this is very important. I think at least 2000 watt, not at least, but 2000 watt is very good power for this kind of things, about using energy, and it will be heater, and it can cook better when it has a more powerful system. And voltage is 220 to 230, 50 hertz. As you know, Philips is a very good company from Netherlands that I really like them, and I always use of their products. And also I ordered one headphone. I will unbox that too. So this information, I think, okay. And also you can cook the food, you can just make it hot, you can grill it, and you can boil it. So I think this is enough for this. Yes, this information are enough. And you can see in the also this picture that it is air fryer, and also says that it has one window on this. I will show you. It is very good because you can see your food and situation of your food, that it is cooked, overcooked, something like that. You can check your food from the window. I will show you. It has very useful window. we will see together. So it has also one QR code that you can scan it. It's for home ID, that when you scan it, you can see too many useful recipes for maybe healthy foods, and you can use of them. And it's very good that it has too many language, that you can use all of them to understand how to work with this. So let's open this. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, guys. Let's... How I can open it? Wait, I find maybe it is from this side. Yes, yes, it's from here. So, first of everything, I really like design. Look, this design. It's really nice. Can you see this? So, here we have one panel, and here we have one window, and also we can use of this panel to check the temperature, turn it on, and choose which food we are. That it is common in all of, I think, all kind of air fryers you can choose, but some of them is mechanic or physical. But this is touch, and I will open. I will open to see you how much it is big, guys. Look, this size is, maybe I can come closer. This size is 7.2 liter. I think that it is good for one chicken and vegetable, something like that. And you look, when this is 7 liter, that means 4 or 5 or 3 is really, they are not enough. Really, for one family, they are not enough. So, and you can see, I showed you here, we have one window and panel. I will prepare some foods and show you how it can cook them. Well done or not, or we will see. So wait a bit. Okay, guys, my steak is getting ready with 200 degrees Celsius. After 19 minutes, it will be done, and it's just 2 minutes. And also I can see from here situation of my steak. For example, if you want to stop it earlier, it's also okay. You can check it from here. And one thing that is very important, it comes from here. It has a fan, and it gives hot weather. So you should put it somewhere that it's not against a wall or something like that. It needs a bit of space to give that hot wind out. So maybe you can put it near window or near another fan, but not near, for example, no, it is not a good option. But I have to do it for this video, but I should change the place because near television or other electric things is not okay. So I think that it's enough. How much it is? 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it will be done, and I will show you how is it. And you can also, I think, hear that the sound, it is not much. It's very silent. Yes, it doesn't have bad smell, doesn't have bad noise, and it's done now. I will show you like this. I cannot bring, it's a bit heavy, but I will show you like this. Guys, I think it's very, very well done after 19 minutes. So I think that if you want to start a diet look like me, it can be very good option for you to buy this and make this kind of bowls for yourself. So please write in comment part, do you have air fryer? Which model do you have? Are you satisfied with that? And do you have this model? What do you think about it? I will read your comments. And if you have any question, if you want to offer me any topic to create video, let me know. I will read your comments. Again, I say, please like my video. I really need them. I really need your support, guys. Have a good day. See you soon with another video of unboxing or technology news. Bye bye.